Wait until cool. Guess I missed that page, yeah, I'm a damn fool. Swear jar overflowing just from today. Next time I'll hire someone overpaid. Damn, I burned my hands again, cursing at the muffler. When will it end? Who knew metal could get so hot? My fingerprints are gone, guess I'm caught.
Tools on the floor and pound the drinks.
My kid holds a flashlight, burns out my pain.
There, like that.
Oh, you're insane! Bullet hand parade down to urgent care. Doctor's just laughing like he lives there. Tried to explain, but he already knows. Front desk still remembers my bird elbow. Tomorrow I'll try with gloves made of steel, but I bet I'll forget. That's just too real. Damn, I burned my hands again, cursing at the muffler. When will it end? Who knew metal could get so hot? My fingerprints are gone, guess I'm caught. Son of a...
Hotter than.
Sticker on my skin says handle with care. Swearing at wrenches, yeah, life isn't fair. Got scars on my palms that spell out dumbass, but at least this exhaust might finally last. Why is it always me?